If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update right now. And Solana, once again, here we go. And let's remove all the drawings here and let's start again. So we came down and people are thinking that they have a buying opportunity with Solana, and perhaps maybe a dollar cost average opportunity would be the right name to use. Yeah, like dollar cost average. You buy a little bit here, if it drops, you buy a little bit somewhere. Not a financial advice, but just a comment on what people could be thinking. And right now we have almost something that is kind of showing us that it wants to pump a little bit back up. So let's actually talk about it. So on the 1 hour time frame, I just want to look if there's any pattern forming up, and it seems like we do have a little bit of a pattern right here forming up for Solana right now. Just trying to figure out what is the name of the pattern, but it doesn't seem like it's almost like a 1 hour V-shaped recovery like this. This is all that makes sense. It just looks like a V-shaped recovery. I just want to turn on the line graph so that I can see where exactly or what exactly are we trying to do. So we do have this upper resistance here. Yeah, you can see that because if I do zoom in there just a little bit, we have some few resistance touches. So if I bring in the brush right there, you have this resistance right over here and two resistance right over there. So breaking above this level, we can actually have a small relief. I'm not saying you're going to get bullish anytime soon, but relief is what I can expect, or that's the only thing that can be expected. So here we are, and keep in mind, you haven't broke out. You can still end up dumping to the downside if you're not going to break it out. So once you break out and backtest things, then it's actually meant to move up to this price target, and that's going to be a price appreciation of $12.3. So basically we're talking about a move up to this, a 23% pump. Okay, but we really need Solana to first of all break above that resistance. I'm actually interested to trade it because I don't want to miss a 23% pump. And we do have the daily now, and let's talk about the daily now. If something like that has to happen, you can see that it's gonna go back to a place where it didn't retest, and it's possible that that we do get 23% pump. Why? Number one, we're really oversold, and we can get a little bit of that relief, and you can see that there's this one possible place that you didn't retest when you broke out of. So this was your support there, this was your support there, you move down, that pattern takes you up to 12.3, and that's where you also have your resistance. So take your profits here, maybe try to short it again down. So that's what makes sense right now to me on Solana. So breakout is needed, the pattern is forming, break it didn't happen. So basically wait for the break, wait for the retest. If you see a confirmation of the retest, take a trade and leave it to luck. So best of luck. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.